Hello, this is your host Kashindi Andreas for the Namdin's Infotainment YouTube channel. Welcome to our channel, and welcome for to everything that we are doing here. All we are doing here is we are trying to educate people to look after their health better. We are trying to help people to go into business. We are trying to help people to make more money. If you don't have a source of income, we can help you to make to start having a source of income. In other words, to start making money. We can help you to open your own business, which you'll be able to run at your own time and in your own time and everything like that. All right, so that is what the Namdins is about. All right, so today I want to talk to you quickly about people who have underlying conditions. Anybody who has a medical condition right now needs to watch this video. And my phone number is 081 376 0041. So if you know anybody who has a medical condition at the moment, they're suffering from high blood pressure, they're suffering from diabetes, they have a heart disease, they have gout, they have cholesterol issues, they are overweight and all these things, all right? This video is for those people, or for you to be able to share it with those people. So first of all, when you have another medical condition, all right, and mind you, I had cholesterol issues. I almost had high blood pressure a few years ago before I got involved with the New Life business. I had gastric issues. My eyes were weak. You know, I had eye problems. I couldn't see properly. I couldn't, and all these things. I had so many other problems. I had tonsils. I had sinus. So sinusitis, tonsillitis, you mentioned all these things. I suffered from them. But when I started my New Life journey, I saw a very, very big improvement to a point where those conditions were 110% reversed completely. And right now, I have spent the last 14 years healthy, super healthy, and if I go for any medical tests, I will pass that medical test with flying colors. Why? Because I have used New Life nutritional supplements to help my life, to help reverse those conditions that I suffered from. So I'm saying this from a perspective of somebody who has had those conditions, not somebody who is just talking from the air. It's somebody who is talking from somewhere, from a position of suffering from those conditions. So if you are suffering from any of those medical conditions and you have a problem, you need to look after your health. You need to reverse to get the nutritional supplements for, let's say, high blood pressure or gout or whatever conditions, diabetes, heart disease, kidney issues, cancer, whatever, HIV. If you have any underlying medical condition, you need to look after that. You need to take care of that first. You need to get rid of the condition you have first for you to be able to survive COVID-19 especially. Okay, a lot of deaths that are being recorded for people with COVID-19 because those people had problems. They had underlying medical conditions. They were already sick from other conditions, and the sickness. The first thing that the sickness does is it attacks your immune system. Now, when you go to the medical doctors and they give you the medication from the pharmacy, okay, they also compromise your immune system even further, because of the side effects that are in there, all right? So you see that when you have a medical condition, your immune system is very, very compromised because of the tablets that you've been taking from the pharmacist and the weakness that was inflicted on your immune system by the condition that you're suffering from. So because of that, you need to look after that first. Now, I want to quickly share a story of a friend of mine who just died last week from COVID-19. This man was a businessman doing very well. He made a few millions, I remember speaking to him 3 years ago about high blood pressure, because he was suffering from high blood pressure and cholesterol. Now remember, I had cholesterol issues. I almost had high blood pressure because my doctor at the time, before I started my New Life journey, told me that if I continued doing things the way I was doing them, not using any nutritional supplements and so many other things, I was going to have high blood pressure in less than 12 months. So because of that, I shared those testimonies with him, how my cholesterol was taken care of, how I no longer have a problem, how my blood pressure is now a bit further away as well from getting high, all right? Because of the nutritional supplements that I've taken. So what I did was I shared with him the story, and I told him, okay, these are the products that you need to get for yourself from New Life. So I convinced him to buy the product, the first batch of products. But I told him, look, you need to take them for between 3 to 6 months for you to be able to see a good result, and your blood pressure will be reversed and the cholesterol will be gone as well. All right. So he bought some products. He used them. The first time he bought, I think the bill was I think about $2,000, 2,000 Namibia dollars. He bought the products, he started using them, and then within 2 weeks he saw a big difference. All right, and his blood pressure was getting lower and lower and lower and lower. All right, and after that, every time when the products got finished, I told him, look, you were supposed to use this for between 3 and 6 months. He said, no, I think my blood pressure is fine now. It's like that. That was the last time he bought the products from you. Like that was 3 years ago. Last week, so 2 weeks ago, he contracted COVID-19. Rushed to the hospital. He was put on ventilators, and a few days ago he passed away. I think the funeral happened was it yesterday or the day before? His funeral happened yesterday or the day before. This is a man who left his wife, he left his children. Why? Because he says that to buy products for 2,000 Namibia dollars every month for 3 to 6 months, for it to reverse completely the cholesterol and high blood pressure, it's a lot of money. And this is a man who has gotten tenders of over 5 million Namibia dollars. Can you see how dangerous that this is? So if you have an underlying condition, you are suffering from high blood pressure, you have diabetes, you have cholesterol issues, you have gout, you have cancer, you have HIV, all these medical conditions, even the ones that I have not mentioned, the kidney issues, the liver problem, liver failure, cirrhosis, and all these things. First of all, look after those by removing them, by taking your life supplements. Call my number and I will be able to give you a prescription of what you need to use and how much it will be and all that. All right? So I just shared this with a very, very heavy heart because this man is somebody who has made an impact in my life. He's a very good friend of mine, and you know, that's all I can say, because you see when you say products are expensive, it's not good for you. So anybody who has an underlying condition, medical condition, look after that first. Remove that first from the equation, and you will have a better chance of surviving this COVID-19. Okay, so all the best of Godspeed. I want you to share this video, share the link, give us thumbs up there, subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed to it yet. It's Namdin's Infotainment channel, YouTube channel. Okay, so do those things and share this information with everybody. Our aim here is to reduce mortality, is to help people to live a healthier lifestyle, is to help people to continue living a good life, and to do business and to work hard and to do all these good things that we are supposed to do while we are alive on earth. Okay, so may God bless you for listening to this one, and all the best. Bye-bye.